Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to request refunds using PayPal. I just tap on my Safari browser and log into my PayPal account, and right now you will see the insights. So just tap on view transactions. So after in transactions inside, the browser will be load and you will be see the option to refund. So some you have add basic information about your bank account or credit card in PayPal, and here is the transaction which I received or sent, and here is the option after you adding a account number or credit card or debit card on PayPal. So after you will see this option to refund a request. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.